How to log into X account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into X account. For this, launch open the X app, which was previously known as the Twitter app. Once you open this, in order to log in, tap on the login option. If you do not have an account, tap on the create account option and follow the on-screen prompts. Now, once you tap on the login option, you will have to enter your phone number or email address or username on this box. So go ahead and enter whichever you prefer. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password option. Then enter your email address, phone number or username over here and tap on the next option. Then follow the on-screen instructions in order to reset your password. After you have reset your password, simply enter that and tap on the login option. If the details you've entered are correct, you will be successfully logged into your X account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.